haven't officially introduced you guys to her in the video that I did shoot. I don't know where that video is. It's somewhere in my phone. But my wife is very supportive, very loving, and she does not want me to drive hysterically fast when she's in the vehicle with me. For, of course, she's a law-abiding citizen, and I'm a law-abiding citizen as well. And even though we stay right by Mexico, I don't do a lot of Mexico driving, if you know what I'm saying. So I told her the other day that I was going to be driving very fast going to Camaro Fest. And she said if that's what Camaro Fest was about, then she would not get in the vehicle. But no, that's not what Camaro Fest is about. And this is going to be our first time attending Camaro Fest together as husband and wife. And I'm hoping she'll enjoy it just as well as I will, and get to experience it, and then she'll see why I want to spend all the money that I want to spend on this car and my other car to get prepared for Camaro Fest 9, as well as CamaroCon and any other event that I can take the car to. But first, we have something very important that we are planning on doing, and I haven't shared that with you guys yet. But we're getting ready to purchase our first house to make it our home, which is very important to me as a man, but not only just as a man, but as a father and as a husband to my wife and to the kids. So that's why a few videos back I said I was not going to be able to spend a lot of money on the car like I wanted to, because there was something more important for me to do. And now you know. I believe in being a family man and try to be the best family man that I can be. We are newly married, and we have been together for 5 years. And I've done the best to show her how a man should treat a woman and how a man should treat children. Not saying that the kids' father doesn't treat them well. I believe he does, but I bring my own flair and my own, I don't know, I bring my own way and my own attitude to the relationship. So I think I'm doing a good job so far. I can't say the same thing about the truck that's driving in front of me, kind of weaving in and out of the lane that he's in, but now I guess he knows where he's going.
Yeah, he's still not sure where he's going.
But anyway, so introducing my wife to the channel. You're going to see more of her. I can't guarantee when you're going to see it. I'm going to do my best to get some candid footage. And I was supposed to shoot some film this past weekend, but certain things happened. It was kind of a rough weekend, so certain things happened, and I didn't get the opportunity to film what I wanted to film for the channel. But I let the cat out the bag. We're getting ready to purchase. We're getting ourselves prepared to get ready to purchase our home. So there you have it. And once again, for 2018, it's another one of those moments to where I can truly say I'm excited. And this year has been full of very eventful moments, more great moments than bad moments. So, you know, as you live, you're going to have those up and downs, and I cherish them all, the ups and the downs. So, thanks for watching this channel. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the video, to my YouTube group on Instagram. Guys, see some of you all next week. The the video that I just shot, I did a call out for guys and gals that are not going to Camaro Fest next week. And you can go. I'm challenging you to go. I want to see you guys out there. So those of you that follow my Instagram channel and those of you that subscribe to my YouTube channel, if you don't have anything to do the 13th and the 14th, take your ass to Bowling Green, Kentucky and go to Camaro Fest 8. I think you'll love it. All right, we're almost to our place of destination, about to go have some dinner. So this is Mr. Lee, Mrs. Lee, checking out.